Hi, my name's Sean from Feet Off Ground, and today I'm going to show you how to set up our very own super primitive kit. With your super primitive kit, you're going to have our regular primitive setup. You'll notice if I try and pull this tighter, I really can't get any more tension, but it's not actually at a tension where I can walk the whole line. Eventually I'm going to touch the ground. What extra is included in this kit to allow you to get enough tension to walk this line is one extra carabiner with a ring, another carabiner with a single pulley, and same thing, carabiner with a single pulley, additional 5 meters of static rope, which we're going to use to create a multiplier to create a lot more tension. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the ring, and just like we did for our regular line locker here, we're going to fold the webbing in half. We're going to put the webbing through that ring and re-thread it around to create a line locker. And then I'm going to clip the carabiner in there. Boom, just like that, super simple. Also, I'm going to clip one of the single pulleys into that. Just like that. That's going to give something for our rope to actually pull against and to add more tension to. So now I'm going to take the static rope. Get any tangles out. I'm going to fold this in half and I'm going to do what's called a figure of 8 on a bite. So to do a figure of 8 on a bite, in a nutshell, fold the rope in half, wrap around the rope and go back into itself. I'm not going to give a full explanation of that. You can search that on Google, how to tie a figure of 8 on a bite. Very simple knot to learn. Once you've got that, you're going to take that and clip that into the carabiner that we've got here. Cool. Now we're going to take that other carabiner, another single pulley that we have, and I'm going to clip this into the tree sling here. So that's one carabiner there. Now I'm going to take the rope that I have, and I'm going to put it through this first pulley on the tree sling end. Just run that through, like that. Now I'm going to go through the second pulley that's on this end, just like that. I'm going to start to pull it tight. And you can see already, before, like if I tried to pull on this end, I'm not going to get anything, cannot move this. But with these pulleys, you've got much more mechanical advantage. You can easily pull this in. Sometimes it's a bit hard to grip the rope here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this final carabiner that I have, do what's called a clove hitch. You can look this up, but in a nutshell how to do this one is you make one loop and then a second loop. And I take that second loop, put it behind the first loop, and I clip this in here. It's not essential, but this just gives you something easier to pull on than the rope. The rope is a bit hard to grip, so now I can grip onto the carabiner and I can pull this. I could probably add more if I need to, but I'm going to check it now, see if I've got enough tension already. Cool. So I can see this line's got enough tension now. We bring this line probably just over 30 meters length. With this setup, we've been able to set up lines of 60 meter lengths. Obviously it's going to depend on how high you have your anchors. Probably as you rig longer, you're going to have to put the anchors a little bit higher, but you can get much more mechanical advantage with this setup. And the big advantage is you can do this on your own. So if you don't have anyone else to help you pull it in, you can just get this simple setup with the pulleys and the extra carabiner, and you'll be able to get as much tension as you need.